Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve LinkedIn you don't have permission to access. To know how to fix or how to solve LinkedIn you don't have permission to access, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of LinkedIn. After that, in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Here we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.